For all x which satisfy the following functional equation, we want to prove that this function is a periodic function. So periodic function is when you have a function f of x equal to f of x plus t for some fixed period t. So the function repeats itself over time. So this is period, or sometimes call it time. So we want to prove this. How do we prove the function is periodic? With the given functional equation. So since we don't have any information other than this equation about functional f, we can try to work with this functional equation and then do some manipulations, try to get something similar to this one, f of x equal to some f of x plus something. That something would be like some constant number, and then it is the period of the function. So in order to prove that, let's start with some notations for simplicity. Let's say f of x minus 1 is a, f of x is b. So what will be f of x plus 1? F of x plus 1 from these expressions, it's square root of 2 b minus a. So since we want to find something f of x plus something, let's evaluate a couple values of f of x plus something. So let's try to do f of x plus 2. What's f of x plus 2? So if I make this f of x plus 2, replace x with x plus 1. The same expression holds for this kind of equation. This all x. So like I increase all the arguments by 1. So we get this following equation. That's also true. Since we have this f of x is equal to b, and we have an expression for here minus a, the f of x plus 2 becomes, so if you open the parentheses here, b minus square root 2a. So that's f of x plus 2. So f of x plus 1 and f of x plus 2, they are kind of similar. I would say if I multiply this by square root 2, the difference is a. Now let's move f of 2 f of x plus 3. The same, use this same equation and then write f of x plus 3 plus f of x plus 2 is square root 2 by f of x plus 1. Then expression for f of x plus 3 is, so we know the value of this, that's b minus square root 2a, and then root of 2, and this one is, we know an expression for this, right? Minus a. So now if we open the parentheses here, we can get that f of x plus 3 is, so if you multiply here, you get 2b minus square root of 2. So that's like, you get square root of 2a and square root of 2a get cancelled, and then f of x plus 3 is equal to b. And this is already seems something reasonable, right? If we look at the f of x is equal to b, so we know that from the beginning, and then f of x plus 3 is also b, so they are equal to each other. That means 3 is the period of the function. From here we can claim that f of x is equal to f of x plus 3,